Hi, I have in front of me here a 8-way cable mapper. We went to it with the brand name ZAC on it simply because they have a lot of experience and they're the ones who developed this product originally. Okay, so there's the outer box here. There's a user instruction manual that comes with it. It's pretty straightforward. We'll demonstrate in a few moments. And we're on to the main event here, which is the cable tester, and then the 8 accessories go with it, which allows us to uniquely identify each cable. So the typical application of this is, just say we're going to put in a UHF aerial, distribute the signal off to 8 rooms, and we want to uniquely identify each of the rooms, just to know which one is going where. What we would traditionally do if we didn't have a cable mapper is we'd put a short on the end of a cable, we'd go to the main distribution thing, and we'd use the multimeter to look for a cable that's been shorted. The big advantage of this is that we, instead of guessing, we'll say, and doing cable by cable, we can identify all 8 cables in a single go, and what we can do then is we can use the multimeter to come, or we can use the mapper here to identify exactly which is which. So what we have here is the actual tester itself. So it's labelled from 1 to 8, and what we can do here is we can verify the battery. We can press the button to use the test. It comes with 2 batteries inside here. They're little CR batteries, and all we do is just simply pull out the plastic tab to engage the battery, so it's just not charging, not being used until the moment that you actually go to use it for the first time. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take out 2 numbers here just for demonstration. I'll pull out 1 and 4. Okay, so I have them in my hand here, and we're going to do a demonstration here, pretending we have 2 cables we want to buzz out. So what I'm doing here is I have the 2 cables, so just see it here, it's unique, and I'll just get the first cable here, I'll put it out on the table, and I'm going to terminate it with a marker here. That's 1, so I'll just screw this on to an F joiner, and I grab the other cable here, and this is the one that's going to be marked number 4. I'll put it on the other side. So I'm just actually, with these cables, for the quickness of the videos, I'm actually using quick release connections on it, which is sort of a good idea. So I'm just going to come along here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press the seat as it find the thing and identify which one we're dealing with, and it's saying it's number 1, and if I come along here we'll see it's number 1 here, and I'll just disconnect this. We could actually, of course, just change out the part here, probably quicker in the video here, just use a different cable. And what I'll do here is I'll just insert this in here again. We'll just do the test. We'll see it's number 4 that's lighting up, and once again it's number 4 here. So it's just extremely handy. You know, they're a reasonably inexpensive product. They work extremely well. There's good warranty on them in terms of from the manufacturer, all the rest of it here. But returns on a product like this, if you don't drop it or damage, effectively is going to be 0. And the batteries, if you're using them just for checking the cables thing, could effectively last you for years, because you're only using the battery when you're engaging it like this. And it just comes on then to test it here. So I just think these are a really clever product. I think it sits really well with the overall product range, and it's another quality tool that's available on freetv.ie.